Hi, I'm Corinne Thompson with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. I just wanted to take a quick minute to tell you a little bit about our dealership. We are family owned and operated, and which means we do things quite a bit differently than you're probably used to when dealing with buying a car or a travel trailer. One of the first things that you'll notice is we give you our best price right off the bat. I know it's shocking, but you don't have to haggle. You don't have to go see a sales manager because we don't actually even have one. So anytime you're dealing with anybody here at Thompson RV, you know that you're getting the very best price. You don't have to come and talk to an owner, although chances are you probably will already be speaking with one. And we always quote you the best price. So we include in our price 2 batteries, full propane tanks, sewer hose, water regulator, power cord adapter, and a few other little odds and ends so that you're totally ready to go camping. Another thing that our dealership prides itself in is our service. So even if you are from, out of state, we get a lot of people from the East Coast, the South. When you come up to get your trailer, the service still matters, even though you might not be bringing it back for warranty, because the service that we put into the trailer before you take delivery is huge. So we spend a lot of man hours on all of our trailers in order to have them perfect for you before you come pick up. When you do come pick up, now we do ship, but we really prefer that you come pick up your trailer from us. First of all, we like to meet you, and then second of all, we do a very thorough walkthrough with you as well to show you how everything works. We like you to get familiar with the systems. If you are from a ways away, we like you to spend a night either here on our lot or at the local KOA that's just a mile down the road to get familiar with your trailer. But all in all, we are a lot different than a lot of places. We think that that's a bonus, and so we hope that you'll think that too. And we look forward to doing business with you.